Hello guys, we're playing that Minecraft. We thought that we are gonna record today, Sunday, or but we are sure we are going to record. But on Tuesday we will record, and that will be every day from now on. We promise, guys. What is that explosion? Are you in front of my house? I was able to TP to you. Shit. Oh. Hey, what house did you go in?
My house? Here.
Oh, okay. You gay asshole.
It's time to fight.
Hey, what do you have, guys?
Who's that?
Yeah, it's a bit.
Why can I attack him?
Oh, wait.
I can attack him. Man.
Okay. Right.
My house. Killing him.
I'm TP to you. I TP to you.
Killing me. Yeah, I'll kill him. Do not bother me. Hey.
Do they vlogging? Wow. I hear Enderman. I hear him.
Enderman. Okay. Enderman.
Okay, guys. Go to game mode 1, Joshua. Let's judge our house. Your house sucks because in the entrance it has a hole. Everybody will fail on that.
I will get rid of it. Don't not work.
And your entrance facts looking suck because it says there's a stair. What the frick is that? Guys, we are sorry. We don't know that we're about to record today Sunday because we thought we can't. But we promise tomorrow we won't. But on Tuesday we will record. On Monday we won't. Today Sunday. Well, in my house, Joshua, beautiful lamp decorations.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So, at my house, a glass, fancy, yeah, fancy. And my favorite part of my house, the storage room. Oh, crappy. Nah. You suck. Why did you go creative? Why did you go creative? Okay. Okay. Ah! I'm lagging so hard, Joshua.
So you're laggy. Yeah, you're laggy. Man, you're laggy, man. So you're laggy.
Sure.
Start now.
You idiot.
Start your lever.
Dude, I started it, boron.
Oh,
Piece
sorry.
of crap.
Sorry.
You're gay.
Okay. You want me to kill you, huh?
Yeah. Hey. Ah,
Hey,
you motherfucker, nasa kira here. You better. You only one hit me. So I didn't die.
I'll kill you. This your iron sword?
Foo! I can't even get in my hole because of lag. This is basically off. At last. Yeah, this is my favorite, guys. Dun, dun. 10. Voila. Yeah. You see what you see. You see what you see. Yeah, I'm out of here.
Okay.
This was gay.
Where are you?
Wanna mine? Let's go mine.
Let's go mine!
Yeah.
Let's go mine!
Get out!
Speed it up.
Yeah, speed me up. Woo! You have some torches, Joshua?
No. I'm getting
Bring.
green food.
Bring torches and bring us food. I don't wanna go back down there. Bobo. Kasing natatwa.
Make me some torches. Make me some torches.
Making
Go
sure
farming, Peter.
it's close. Now you go farming. You guys judge which house is better. Is it that motherfucking freak or my the awesome itch? I don't know what itch means. It just came out of my mouth, and I still have a cold. Oh shit! Oh fuck! I did it again.
Go farming.
Dude,
Hey!
I'm hungry. Can I have some food?
No, go farming. Get some food. I will get my own food.
Your house sucks. It even has
What did you say?
no nothing. I got 2.5.
Get out. Run, run, run.
Don't run.
They're gonna kill you.
No, it's not very weapons. Where's my weapons, Joshua?
Over here. It's outside.
Motherfucking asshole.
Oh, it's for iron sword.
Dude, this is not iron. It's only stone.
Okay, sit down. Go.
Hey!
But
I'ma kill you.
get me some carrots. Carrots. Potato.
Alright, let's go.
Get all this potato.
Let's mine. Okay, let's buy these cobblestones.
Hey, I don't have any pickaxe. Going in and get some pickaxe.
CP.
Okay. And bake some potatoes. Mine. Minecraft.
You gay.
If you play Minecraft.
That's completely pathetic in here. I give up. Next time, we find the cave. Well, did you get out?
Get out. Boost. Aw. Not kill me. Okay. Oh, fuck you.
Oh, you bring me forward the torches. Find the cave. And we're back. And we found a cave for you guys. Hey, where's the torches? Light it up, bitch.
No, like there's no it's only not. It's not very big cave. Small,
What?
so small.
Find another one. Where's the other one that you saw?
It's not a cave. And that's the cave. Oh, iron.
Dude, that's wide. Let's share.
No, you did your iron to me.
I give you 4. Give me 5.
No.
It's okay. I have iron sword, iron pickaxe. You don't.
Okay. So many iron.
Mine is coal. My coal.
Coal, your coal, okay? It's your coal. Oh, it's your coal. Here, give it to you. It's my mushroom. Oh, wait. Oh, this is the cave that I've been told it.
Oh, plenty iron. This is my iron, Joshua.
Here.
No, this is the iron. That's my iron, Joshua.
Okay, it's your iron. But I see mine.
Kill that, Joshua.
Killed it. Half a heart.
Regenerate, Joshua. Eat food.
What that mean?
Do the laggy. Plenty iron. Whew,
It's a big cave, Peter.
I know. Oh, it's like a creeper exploded here.
Yeah. My iron.
Where are you?
Do not eat it.
No.
Oh, so many.
Asshole.
How many iron you have?
6.
Hey, you're so dumb.
Do the laggy. Okay, it's like this is the best time to end this video. Bye, guys.